Okay, hello guys, how are you? My name is Saydam. I am expert in forex trading since 1994, and I am I have created my own trading software and my own indicator. And this indicator is important, can help everyone to take a decision how to make money from forex trading, trading currencies or commodities, indices, energies, or metals. So my indicator I created to be built and set up on all MT4 as this one, MT4 trading platform, and I want to show you how you can start trading my indicator, and I made it in the form of expert advisor, so you can make it also to give you signal at the same time, or auto trading in the future. So let's start from scratch. This is the Euro US dollar, the basic currency in the market. It is 30 minutes, 1 hour, 44 hours, daily, and so on. So let's do something here. We want to make this chart look nicer than this one. So we go to the properties, and we take the grid away, and we go to the colors, make the up bar up green as it is, yeah, bar down red, bull candle which is up, we have to go green, and bear candle should be red. Okay, this is better looking shape chart. We go for green for the candlesticks. Then we want to trade this currency. So how to take decision about buying and selling the currency. So today I am in Saturday, 15th of June 2019, and there is no market now, and I will demonstrate my indicator. I created this indicator 2011. I copyrighted from the UK copyright, and also I certified from MetaTrader platforms, so it is competitor with MetaTrader, and there is no errors or any kind of monkey business going on. So I want to show you this is the chart 4 hours, and this is also, let's say, 1 hour chart, and I go, and of course you will download my indicator from the website called MQL. This is the website here. This is my indicator. You see here the browser mql5.com. This is the website what they call it, responded by MetaTrader, and you can have your own indicator, created indicator, and you have the right to sell it or rent it. So I have it here with only renting, but we will not go through this now. Of course, this indicator I made it in the form of what they call it, expert advisor. As you see here, the same logo with name set your strategy, expert advisor, and here is the the window how to fill it up with the settings, and in the same time we go back to the indicator. This is showing how it will pop up in your MetaTrader the signals to buy or to sell, and when to buy, when it sell. So this is the indicator here. You can see the two red lines, as you see also the red lines here guide you to take decision to buy or to sell. So I will show you where we can make the trade. Let us choose the 1 hour chart for the euro US dollar, and I already downloaded the indicator from the website here, and I put it in what they call it in the desktop, and from desktop I take it to file in the MT4, open data file. Okay, and when you open the data file, it will show you the files for the MT4. Yeah, here. So this is the open data file, and you go to MQL4, double click, then you go to experts, then you download or copy paste the expert advisor. If you download the expert advisor, okay, they will give you the file. And if it is what they call it indicator, you go file, the same, open data folder, and you download it. I mean to copy and paste in MQL4. Then you go to indicators, and it is already copy and pasted here. You will find it Sami, Saydam, RS, resistant and support, or you will find it with RS anyway. RS means resistant support. Then you close the file window, then you close the whole MT4, switch off, then switch back on. Then you will find it in the navigator. You go down and you find the what they call it in the under the indicators. Where is the indicators? The indicators are here. So it is indicators. You go down, you will find it here. You grab it by the mouse to the screen, to the chart. Then it will blow up window. You would allow DLM, whatever you click those two, the input, pop-up alert, so you can see the signal, and email, you don't need that. Notify alert also on true. Then you put OK. Then you will see right away, just take the navigator, you will see right away two red lines automatically drawn on your chart. This one, I call it the resistance. This one, I call it the support. And in between the candles and the price for the euro, US dollar, 1 hour trend. Okay? So with the time, they will keep those two lines moving up and down until when you will take decision to buy or sell, only if they are breaking, one of the candle breaks up the resistance, then it will be buying, breaks up the support, break down the support, then it will be selling. So we go here 4 hours. Wow, when we send 4 hours, give me the signal. Let me reduce it so we can see it full. It give me the signal here. Euro, US dollar, 4 hours, trend line, signal is short. You see here, this line is the support, is broken down by the candle and confirming that it is short. Of course, when it start to go down, you can start to short your to make the short right away after it breaks down the support. Okay, and show you here the last signal. It shows here in the window, and you might have many old signals just listed here, but the last one is in this side. Where is the bill? Okay, I close this. Now let us go for daily. Ding. Okay, the daily, there is no confirmed signal yet, but it shows that already breaking up the support line. You see the support line is diagonal shape, as you see here. Doesn't mean support. What I discovered, with my indicator, that you don't need to have straight lines to be support and resistance. My support and resistance are moving with the chart, and it might be this line, diagonal line, or straight line, or whatever. I just care about when it is just break down or break up. Okay, so this is those two lines are automatically moving with the candles, with the time, and giving you the right time to buy and sell. Okay, if we go weekly, there is no signal here. There is no any kind of support broken or up or down. If we go monthly, we see here the euro start to break up the resistance. This is the resistance line, start to break up the resistance line, and we will have soon confirmed signal if start the new candle over sub the resistance line. When we start the new candle over the resistance line, then we can start to see that there is a buy signal, strong one, because this is monthly. If we go weekly, monthly signal stronger than weekly, and weekly stronger than daily. This is daily. You see, this is what happened last Friday when we have a broken support, start a new day. Then this a new day in the US market, pop up some data supporting the US market, so it went right away down. That means the US dollar went up and the euro went down. This is on Friday for 14 of June 2019. So let's go 4 hours. It gives a confirmed signal, as you see here. If we go 1 hour, there is no signal. If we go 30 minutes, it gives, here you see, euro US dollar 30 minutes. Trend line signal is long. So you see here the support, the resistance, a new candle, 30-minute candle, crossed the support line, then the new can after we have confirmation, then we can go buy. And this is in 30-minute chart, not a daily or 4 hours chart. Okay, so if we go now 15 minutes, we see here the price is almost touching the support but hasn't break up the support yet. If we go 5 minutes, as you see here, it will give you buy signal because this is 5 minute, very quick trade. Went confirmation. Okay, this confirmation signal after breaking up the resistance, then you can, if you want to trade the 5 minutes, you can buy and wait. Normally the signal touches sometimes the resistance as a support and go back up again. If we go 1 minute, you see here in 1 minute, the line shows that almost there is kind of breaking up the support and might go below the resistance, the support, then it will go down. But this is weak signals because 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, still weak signals. But if we go 4 hours, then it will be more stronger signal. If we go to ask for the gold, for example, if we put the gold instead of the, you see, we have 1 minute long signal. You see, it is written here. 1 minute trend line signal is long. This is for the gold. Okay. As you see here, breaking up the support, the resistance, then start a new candle that the gold is going up for 1 minute only. That means short trade. If we go 5, you see here also 5 is giving you short signal. It is, as you see here, it is breaking down the support, then still giving you a chance for a short signal. Okay, and it is all written here. This is 5 minute trade, still not strong one. Okay, if you want to trade 5 minutes, that's mean you have a huge amount of money to make big amount. So we go 15 minutes, there is no any break up or down. We go 30 minutes, or we see here 30 minutes for the gold trending long. Why long? Because it is breaking up the resistance, went up, then there is a confirmation, confirmed signal to buy, then I bought, it goes up. with the time it has to go more further up. Okay, we go now 1 hour. You see here it's already passed signal confirming, break up the resistance, confirming, then I bought, then when I bought you see what happened, going up. This is all how many dollars? It's like almost $6.50 profit. So where I can buy from here, closed, confirmed uh, candle, then I can make the buy. Okay, if we go 4 hours, there is no signal yet. If we go daily, this is the daily gold. Okay, and still there is no any signal. But if we go, it was here like a daily buy, long buy, you see, because those lines, one day it was here. So it gave me, I believe here, it gave me this signal to buy. Okay, before that's past last week. Okay, then if I go weekly, you see it is already going on buy signal weekly. So it started 9 of June, as you see here, 9 of June 2019. This signal was there, and today is 15. So how many dollars I gain profit? $46. $46 if I follow the buy gold on that day 9 of June. Okay, if we go monthly, we still have no, you see the lines how it drawn, still there is no any signal in the monthly going on. So this is how you can trade the currencies or the gold. If I go for example the CAD, the US dollar with the Canadian. Okay, this is monthly. It looks like going to crack. It's already went below the main and major support. Okay, so next month is the confirmation month for selling the US dollar with the Canadian dollar. If we go weekly, you see here we are getting almost confirmed sell signal, but still not confirmed because it is going back up over the support. Okay, and the month has to finish, I mean the week has to finish, then we will see where it will open the new candle. Is it below the support line or over the support line? If it is below, then it is sell candle. Then we can do the sell for the US dollar Canadian. Let's go daily. There is no signal. 4 hours. There is no signals. We go 1 hour. There is a signal here, used to be, as you see here. And if we bought the US dollar and we sold the Canadian in this day, which is 14 of June, which is yesterday, then it gives me right away a kind of 49 bips profit. This is what I mean, that those two lines resistance can be support and support can be resistant. This is the dynamic resistance and support discovered by myself, and I created those indicators. So we go 30 minutes. Here we have a signal, 30 minutes. Trend line signal is short, as you see here. This line is become like a support. It was support, become resistance. Give you one candle down, then the second candle confirmation. You can sell from here, and it's going down. We go 15. There's no signal yet. 5 minutes. It says long. Why? Because it's over the line, giving you one confirmation, two confirmation, three confirmation. That's still long signal. Long signal. You buy still there, but this is 5 minute uh, chart, so it will be like quick trade. This is 1 minute, nothing going on. So this is how it is, and I can also demonstrate it for you. If we go to backtest 4 hours, the euro dollar, and let's start. It's already there starting. So let's see. I demonstrated for you like real, what they call it, like real market. So as you see here, we have breaking the, let's make it bigger. You see here, it's breaking, the support, so it became resistant. Okay, so this area 4 hours in the euro US dollar is touching the support, and I mean resistant, and going down. You see, it is demonstrating itself. We made the back test. If you wanna know, the back test was 17 January 2018, and it shows here that the signal now going down. Okay, so I mean you can still short. This one here was buying, as you see, was buying because it is an expert advisor, become expert advisor, so it is buying until here. How many bips? Almost, we see 14. It's like 20. Yeah, it is 233 bips until here, because you can see it yourself. Until here, it's 198 or 200 points. So you can do the sell and wait, because it's already broken the trend line. Now the trend line become in this side, and we still going on through a new trend. We have the resistance, we have the new support. This is dynamic, that's why it is moving with the time. Okay, so let's speed it up and see. Speeding up, so we can see for our candle how it goes. You see here it's giving you not clear image if it is buying. Here it is buying, yes it is buying, so you can realign in this. Now it is breaking down the support line. This is weekend. It shows like it is like a weekend gap. This is how it will work in 4 hours chart. You see, confirm, not yet. But it shows here still buying signal. Of course, you can add some indicators to support those two. You can add them, and as you see here, going up, still with the buy signal, confirming, yes, going up. You see it is touching the sub resistance, becomes support. So this is the point here. Always you can rely on those two lines, real resistance and real support. So this resistance becomes support and the prices went up. And this is 4 hour candle, so it is kind of 109 points in one day. And still going up because those lines still hasn't moved yet. So still buying. You can take your profit anytime you want. You see, even it's going more up. And try always to compare those breaking up or breaking down with the pop-up data, daily pop-up data, the what they call it, the strong impact or high impact or the weak impact. I mean the medium impact data. So in the market, so you can timeline those indicators with what you have the right trigger to move the market. So if you have kind of short signal, in the meantime coming strong data, then you will know that it is going to go below, downside. So you can predict the pop-up data before you trade. Those two lines will help you to predict the pop-up data before the pop-up data is showing up. So for example, if we see here, it is like 8 o'clock. You see the time, 8 o'clock in the morning. It was giving me a buy signal. Then it will show that the coming data supporting the euro. So it went up. So I can buy before the coming data even come up. So you see here, maybe another kind of data coming up, but went down because there is no confirmation. This is like to every 4 hours. So you see here, touching below the support, but there is no confirmation. So still strong support. Keeping moving the lines. It went to the resistance. Okay, this is the real resistance. It's confirming, not confirming, not confirming, still not sure. But of course you will have the pop-up screen coming up because this is a strategy test, doesn't show the pop-up screen. But with the real time, when you put this indicator, you will getting a pop-up screen window showing that this is buying or selling signal. So this is how it is, and I hope it will help you in different time frames from 1 month to 1 minute. So I will show you also, I will show you something important that always I predict. If we go to for example, the stocks, people who are interested in stocks. So let's go for Dow Jones. Okay, the Dow Jones, somewhere here we can pick it up, or the Nasdaq, or the oil even. So if we go to the Nasdaq, Dow Jones, where is it? Yeah, here the Dow Jones cash. We put it here. This is the weekly. It has put also the Nasdaq cash and the 5 year S&P 500. Okay, so let's go to the weekly Dow Jones, and we put our template, and I put my indicator as before. Okay, so we see the red lines. As you see here, this is weekly for the Dow Jones, breaking down as this one here, breaking down 1 week, then went up instead of going down, but it is already breaking the support and still going down because it is sell signal, as you see here, sell signal, but whatever is going up, still sell signal. If we go monthly, there's no signal. If we go daily, it's already somewhere was short, but there's no signal. 4 hours, you see sell signal here, 4 hours. Okay, went down. We go 1 hour, doesn't show anything, but it shows like sell, but going up as breaking up the support again. This is 30 minutes, and this is 15. Yeah, 15 minutes showing that buying signal, as you see here, Dow Jones 30, 10 signal long, and this is last Thursday, 9 of May. No, just a minute, it was, this is 15 minutes, so it was 5th, just a minute, let me make fresh. Okay, yeah, here, after downloaded, sorry for that, it downloaded the data, so we go now back again, 30 minutes, 1 hour, there is no signal, 4 hours, went down, daily, there's no signal, weekly, it was sell signal, but went up, and it is really crazy index, and so far it is still sell signal. If we go monthly, there is no, but if we let us go to Dow Jones, we put my indicator template, again the indicator here. Okay, so this is 1 hour. Let's go monthly. This is the May, what they call it, June This is May and this is a new candle June. If we go weekly, it shows that since you see here we put the cursor 28th of April. You see 28th of April was giving us short signal. Short signal since 28th of April. I told you why I announced that on May we will have very big going down, and it was because I have this breaking support. It become resistant, so every week going down and will keep going down because it's already broken down. Okay, if we go daily, this is Nasdaq already down at end. We go 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes. It's already having here kind of short. 15 minutes. This gap from the weekly opening. So let's go to S&P. The same. We go to template, make it nicer looking. Then we go to my indicator. We put it there. Okay. Then you can see if we go monthly, similar like Dow Jones. Weekly, as you see here, weekly. It gives us, even it gives us like sell signal. In S&P, it was 24th of March, but it went up, but still broken the support and still over the resistance, but it is not clear. That's why we go to Nasdaq and we check the weekly more clear, and we can go to Dow Jones and check the weekly. We found it also the same like S&P, but Nasdaq is giving more clear signal that it is going down. Okay, so this is how we use my indicator to predict the major trends like the Dow Jones. If somebody like you trading stocks and you see this kind of signal, he will be shorting or he will take care about not to be in the market, at least not to buy, but good to sell. So you can go and download the indicator, the dynamic support and resistance from the website MQL5, or you can go always to the short link. What do you call it? Yalla forex.com. This is to download the indicator. As you see, it will give you the product right away. This is just shortcut to the right link because this link is long. And if you want to go to the expert advisor, you go with SS Sami Saydam or SS dash systems by s.com. Okay, ss dash systems.com. So it will take you to the short to the long link. Okay, sssystems.com will give you the same. Okay, there is a so systems. sssystems.com. Yeah, it will give you the right link where you can download the expert advisor showing the indicator, or you can download it as indicator itself. So the difference between the expert advisor and the indicator, that the expert advisor you can add some another indicator CCI. It will help you to modify the right signal, not fake signal. So this is also it can trade for you automatically. Also it can send, if you put it in virtual server, it will send for you the signal, the same pop-up window. It will send it to your mobile, and you know how to activate the signals to come to your mobile, to your MT4 mobiles. You can read about it in MQL website, MQL5 website. So this is how it is, and you can go download it. It will cost you $60, $66 per month for the expert advisor, and it will cost you $63 if you downloaded the indicator only. So you will find you'll have this kind of indicator to show you right away the resistance and support with the time, with the real time. Okay. So I hope you will find also all the links down this video, and you can also subscribe to the channel and ask your questions in the comments, and I hope I will soon answer it. And also some people, I will tell you, some people also can trade it as an option. So they use it like, for example, they can go and trade, I mean, to gamble in the option trade option market. For example, this kind of option, if it is that you bet in the trend, it's going down or up. So with this kind of uh, signal, can help you that the market is going up next 10 minutes or going down, or you can use it even in 1 minute chart. You can see if it is going up or down, so you can bet on the market. Some users, they told me about this. They are using it for that. So it's up to you. Even you can use it for option, because something like this in Nasdaq, you can bet on the market that it is it is going down. So you will place bot uh, betting or bot option. So guys, I hope you enjoy it with this new indicator. If any question, I am ready. And thank you very much, and bye bye.